Welcome to GainResidualIncome.com. Get ready for some money-making and money-saving tips. Here's your moderator, Joe Mahoney.
All right, so one of the things that is very important to making videos online and making money online is to have a presentable screen and a working computer. If you don't have these things, then you're not going to look professional and people are going to call you out on it. As you can see down here in the corner right now, my Windows is saying that it's not genuine. Of course, this is not true. What ended up happening was that my computer power button was not working. A tech came out to fix it, and all of a sudden, when they rebooted the computer, this was left, and they didn't understand and know how to do it. So I thought the best thing to do was to let you guys know how to fix this problem. So the first thing you do, you can see the instructions are right here. You will go to your start button, which is right down here, and you type in the letter CMD. This is your command prompt. You just do a simple right click on that and run as administrator, and this will let your computer do all the activities that the administrator should have control of. And then you type in SLMGR, and then space hyphen rearm. Whoops, rearm. There we go. And then you click enter. There we go. That's as expected. It completed successfully. Please restart the system for the changes to take effect. So that's exactly what we are going to do. Alright, so I've restarted my computer, and as you can see down here at the bottom, it no longer says that my copy of Windows is not genuine. I have it set in test mode. I tweaked some of the features, and that's just going to say that because that's what I've done to my operating system. But you can see that the not genuine is no longer there. So again, to take the next step, what you want to do is go back to CMD, because we're not quite done yet, and hit right click, run as administrator once again, and you want to type in SLMGR again, space hyphen ATO. And what this is going to do is going to use your activation key and register it inside the computer. And it says product activation failed. So I've checked my code, and my code is actually completely different than what the code that it's telling me is, which is strange, and I think that there's a fix for it. So let's see. Alright, so right there is a perfect example of computers. You can come up with the best solution to a problem, but sometimes you need to do a little more. So what I found out was that I might have to do a little bit more legwork, and you might need to do so too. But if you've already done the SLMGR space hyphen ATO solution and it's good, then you're fine. But I want to take an extra step because I want to make sure that my Windows is working properly and that problem never comes back again. So I'm going to stay here in the CMD and just follow the instructions in here. So I will type in net stop SPPSVC. Now this is usually some kind of service, so I'm going to do that, and it is stopped. Okay. So now I'm going to go into where they told me to, and now this is going to be your Windows folder. So whatever your Windows directory is right here, that's what you want to do. And a CD command is change directory. So you're basically just going to that folder inside the command prompt, and it shows you that you're in that folder. And I am going to copy this. It's real simple. I will put this up on the Gain Residual Income website. I'll put a link in the bottom so that you have access to all of this and you can just copy and paste. So I'm going to paste here. It looks like it's executed that. And then I'm going to go to my Windows directory, which, believe it or not, is Windows. Go figure. And so I'll do a CD Windows to change the directory. And then it looks like they want me to restart the service that we just stopped. So net start. That's really easy to do this. You just copy and paste, and hopefully this will be the solution to the problem. Okay. And then we have to copy and do Slooey exe, whatever that is. I have no idea, but let's see. Okay, it looks like it popped up. So type a different product key. That's what I'm going to do, because what it was showing me was not my product key. So here we go. Guess what? I'm going to hide it from you. You can't use my product key. I mean, sorry, but that's just how it is. Alright, so I've entered in the product key, and I'm going to double check. Yes, everything's good. Okay, I'm going to hit next. Oh, it's being verified. Of course it's going to take a few minutes. It's already taken a few minutes, right? If only computers would work right. But in the meantime, right now, if this is helpful, click subscribe. If the first fix worked, go ahead and click subscribe. It's going to be right up here in the corner. Or just click the subscribe button at the bottom. Make sure you like up the video. It's much appreciated. We don't just teach tech tips. I teach how to make money online. So while this is being verified, alright, looks like activation full, and now my copy of Windows is genuine. Now, if you want to make sure that your copy of Windows is absolutely genuine, there's no problems, what you do is you go to Start, you right click on Computer Properties, and scroll down a little bit, and it says that right here Windows is activated, the product's good, and everything's good. So we fixed the problem, and now that my computer is absolutely genuine, everything's good, I feel good enough to go ahead and pick a desktop background, and I picked an image and I'll set it as background. And now I have a nice clean desktop background with the GainResidualIncome.com logo on the background, so now I can wear this with pride and not have this copy of Windows is not genuine and everybody freaking out going, oh, you're a software pirate, which I'm not. So to recap, if you want to try the first thing, the SLMGR, rearm, and ATO, go ahead and do that. It seemed to take it away from me in the corner, and it was no problem. But what I didn't like was that my product key was coming up wrong. So I fixed that problem as well. So this solution right here should take care of your problem. And again, this is going to be up on the GainResidualIncome.com site. I'll put a link in the description right below so you have easy access to it from now on. Bookmark that page, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks again for watching.